How to fix unexpected error on Foodpanda app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the unexpected error on Foodpanda app. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to fix the error, what you can do is first make sure that your internet connection is stable. If your internet connection is stable, then you can head into your Play Store or App Store and check in for the application update. So in my case, you can see it is updated to the latest version. There is no any update option available. However, if you are still getting the issue, it might also be the server issue. In that case, you might want to wait for a couple of hours. However, if it still doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is try and reset the application. You can try and clear the app data and cache. To do so, head into your phone settings. Under settings, scroll down and head into apps option. There you can search in for the Foodpanda app, and once you tap on it and open it up, head into storage. Under storage, you should see clear cache option. First try and clear cache and check it out. If it still doesn't fix the issue, then you can come back to this page and then tap on clear data and go ahead and you can clear the data. However, make sure that you have the backup to your account. As you can see, it says all of this application's data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and databases, etc. So this is how you can fix the issue. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.